Hey there, are you looking for help with GED exam? I am an expert in bypassing online proctored exams, so you are in the right place. If you are looking for help with such kinds of exams like GED, you can reach out to me through WhatsApp or email for prompt help that guarantees you results. I have a method that can cheat the Pearson VUE software and help you do the exam without getting caught by the proctor. You can reach out to me if you want to for more information. Now let me share something real. One of my students messaged me saying, "They locked my account. I appealed it." When I asked why, he said the proctor couldn't clearly see his shoulders on camera. That was it. No cheating, no phone, no talking, just camera positioning. His exam was stopped, and now he has to wait for the appeal process. This is why I always say passing the GED is not only about knowing math and reading, it's also about being fully prepared for the online setup. If you're taking the GED online through Pearson VUE, you must follow the rules carefully. Your face, shoulders, hands, and desk area need to be visible. You need a clean desk, stable internet, good lighting, and a proper webcam angle. Do not wait until exam day to test your system. Sit how you will sit during the exam and check that everything is clearly visible. Small setup mistakes can cause big delays. When it comes to strategy, manage your time and don't get stuck on one question. Eliminate wrong answers quickly. Pay close attention to words like not or except. Stay calm even if a question looks unfamiliar. Remember, you do not need 100%. You need a passing score. At Proctor Tutors, I help students with realistic practice questions, step-by-step walkthroughs, exam strategy, and online readiness guidance so they can avoid preventable mistakes. If you want structured, focused preparation instead of guessing what to study, reach out. Don't just sit the GED. Prepare properly, protect your account, and walk in confident. Let's get you exam ready the right way.